Hi, this is Jiten Kumar, and today we are going to discuss chemistry. So, today's topic is some basic concepts of chemistry, in which we are going to discuss percentage composition. Okay, so percentage composition means we are going to calculate percentage of any element in their constituent compounds. Okay, so percentage composition of a compound refer to the amount of various constituents elements present per 100 parts by mass of the substance. Okay, so we can write percentage composition of a compound refers to the amount of various constituents elements present per 100 parts by mass of the substance. Okay, so percentage composition of a compounds refer to the amount of various constituent element present per 100 parts by mass of the substance. Okay, so we can write a formula of percentage mass of an element. We can write percentage mass of an element would be mass of that element in the compound divided by molar mass of the compound into 100. Okay, so we can write this also: number of atoms of element into atomic mass of element into atomic mass of element divided by formula mass of substance. Into 100. Okay, so this is very simple. which is similar to simple percentage calculation. It is similarly, if we are getting our result, in our result it get out from total mass obtained which is divided by maximum marks into 100. So we can calculate similarly percentage composition of an element in a compound. Okay, so let's write a question. What is the percentage of carbon hydrogen and oxygen in methanol. Okay, so we have to write molecular formula of methanol. So molecular formula of methanol is CH3OH and molar mass of methanol is 1 carbon which have 12, 4 hydrogen which have 1, and 1 oxygen, so 1 into 16. So we will get total is 32. So we can write molar mass of methanol is 32. Okay, so let's take one by one. So very first we have to write mass percent of carbon. It will be 12 by 32 into 100. So we will get here 37.5% of carbon. Second, mass percent of hydrogen. So hydrogen's weight is 4 gram and total weight means molar mass of compound is 32, which is multiplied by 100. So we will get here 12.5% of hydrogen by mass. So next is mass percent of oxygen. Mass of oxygen is 16, molar mass is compound is 32 into 100, so we will get here 50%. Okay, so similarly we can get it if we add on carbon and hydrogen, that will 50%. Mass percentage of other element will be 50%. So we have other element except carbon and hydrogen is oxygen, so oxygen's percentage will be 50%. We can get it directly also. Now let's write another question. Calculate the percentage calculate the percentage of iron and iron oxide in magnetite. Magnetite's formula is Fe3O4. Okay. So we can solve it. So molecular formula of magnetite magnetite is Fe3O4 and molar mass of magnetite that will be 232. So here 56 is weight of iron, so we have 3 iron atoms plus we have 4 oxygen atoms, so 16 into 4, so we will get 232 is the molar mass of Fe3O4. Now next, mass percent of iron, that will be total mass of iron 56 into 3 and molar mass of the compound, that is magnetite, 232 into 100, so we will get 72.41% mass of iron present. If we want to calculate mass percent of FeO, iron oxide, so weight of iron oxide is 72 divided by 232, divided by 232 and it's multiplied by 100, so we will get here 31.03% iron oxide present in this compound. So in this way we can calculate percentage of any element in given respective compounds. Thank you.